Hi there, students. Auspicious, an adjective. Auspiciously, the adverb. Notice this AU at the beginning. Or, as in author, audience. Okay, if something is said to be auspicious, it's suggesting a very good and successful future. The match had a very auspicious start with my team scoring a goal in the first 5 minutes. The match started very auspiciously. The first meeting with the client was not very auspicious. We didn't get on very well. It didn't bode well for the future. Yeah, it didn't suggest that the future was going to be good. So if something's auspicious, it's conducive to success, it's favourable. Yeah, this is something is auspicious, it's a sign of future success. I think I'm going to do the origin because let's see, it comes from Latin auspicum, an augury, from auspex, to augur. Okay, to augur is a sign that something is going to be good, that something is going to go well. Yeah, it's telling of the future by a prediction or a prophecy. Yeah, or an omen. So if something is auspicious, it's a good omen for the future. It's indicating that good and important things are to come. And this is the idea of auspicious. The start to the year for the company is very auspicious. It looks like it's going to be a good year. There are auspicious signs about the effectiveness of this new vaccine. Yeah, it's going to be. It looks like it's going to be successful. Yeah, it's shows signs of a favourable outcome. It's propitious. Yeah. So I had to pick an auspicious time to ask my boss for a pay rise. Very often they say, on this auspicious occasion, on this promising, wonderful occasion. Yeah. Okay. So an auspicious occasion. I quite like that collocation. His career had a very auspicious start. Prosperous, good, favourable. And the opposite of this is going to be discouraging. So auspicious, encouraging, an auspicious start, a favourable start. It was very propitious. Yeah. There was auspicious news that indicated the things were going to be good in the future. The statistics looked very auspicious. Notice we have this phrase, under the auspices of. Yeah, I've got another video including that word. Is arranged by, sponsored by, and this is clearly linked. So under the auspices of, backed by, and then auspicious. Yeah, you seem to have made a very auspicious start. The preliminary results look very auspicious. Yeah, that they're favourable, promising. They look like they're going to be successful. Yeah, auspicious as well, marked by success, lucky or fortunate. He had an auspicious career. I suppose so, yes. Okay, so what about formality? This word sounds rather literary. I think I'd probably give it 6.5, maybe 7. Auspicious in an informal conversation. Just about, I suppose. An auspicious start, yeah, a good start. I would probably use the good looking, yeah, bodes well for the future. Yeah, the match started auspiciously. There's the adverb again for you. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Auspicious.